Welcome back. We are still on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we learned how to find the equation of a straight line when we were given 2 points that fall on the line, and we solved a question on it. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is: find the equation of the line that passes through the points 1, 0 and 2, 4. So this straight line passes through the points 1, 0 and 2, 4. The question wants us to find the equation of the line. As we learned in the previous video, the first thing you need to do is to use the coordinates of these points to find the gradient of the line. To find the gradient of the straight line, we are going to use the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. The first point will give us x1, y1, and the second point will give us x2, y2. So y2 is 4 and y1 is 1. x2 is 2 and x1 is 0. We substitute this information into this formula to find the gradient of the line. So y2 minus y1 will give us 4 minus 1, and x2 minus x1 will give us 2 minus 0. And this will give us 3 divided by 2. So the gradient of this straight line is 3 divided by 2. In the previous video, we learned that after you have found the gradient of the line, you choose any one of these points to find the equation of the line. I'm going to choose the first point. So I'm going to use the gradient 3 divided by 2 and the point 0, 1 to find the equation of this line. And we are going to do this by using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into brackets x minus x1. So in this case, m is the gradient of the line, so m is 3 divided by 2. I'm choosing the first point, so x1 will be the x coordinate, which is 0, and y1 will be the y coordinate, which is positive 1. So the gradient is 3 divided by 2, x1 is 0, and y1 is 1. We substitute this information into the formula, and this will give us y minus 1 is equal to 3 divided by 2 into bracket x minus 0. We simplify this further and we have y minus 1 is equal to 3 divided by 2 times x, since x minus 0 is the same as x. So we have y minus 1 is equal to 3 divided by 2x. We have a fraction. We are going to cancel out the fraction by multiplying through by the LCM of the denominator. We have only one fraction, so the denominator will be the same as the LCM. So you multiply the left hand side by the denominator, which is 2, and you multiply the right hand side also by the denominator, which is 2. And this will give us 2 times y minus 1. Because y minus 1 is a binomial, we are going to put the binomial in a bracket. So we have 2 into bracket y minus 1, and this is equal to 2 times 3 divided by 2x. 2 will cancel 2, so you have 2 into bracket y minus 1 is equal to 3x. We open the brackets and then we simplify. 2 times y will give us 2y. 2 times 1 will give us 2, but 1 here is minus, so 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. So we have 2y minus 2 is equal to 3x. I'll group all the terms on one side. So I will send 2y and minus 2 to the right hand side. And this will give us 3x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. So the equation of the straight line is 3x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another question on finding the equation of a straight line when we are given 2 points that fall on the line. Bye bye.